trying to find them. Are they in the room?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm on assignment. There's Danny. Getting in his truck. These are for Cindy. Okay. Where's Bear? Today, they're out mowing the lawn. I'll give you an idea. There's Debbie. Now you just run, Debbie. She's just gonna run. I don't think you can bring it in and zoom in anyway. Okay, fine. Well, V, you let me take yours, won't you? Hey, Bear. You can take your picture, huh? There's Bear. Bear doesn't run away. V, do you run away? Huh? You guys? I just need some pictures. Yes. Take your hat off, Debbie. Danny doesn't run, see? She looks like a shark. Yeah, see? That's better. Now where are you going? Walk the dog?
Yeah.
Okay. This is my assignment today. I have to videotape people.
Okay.
Now we're going to go in there.
Is there a reason for your assignment?
Yeah, all our family, we have to put videos up.
Ah.
Well,
Yeah.
yeah, she does. Okay. Knock, knock. I got a camera.
What?
I got the video.
No.
Yes.
No.
Why?
Come back later.
Come back later. Huh?
Just kidding.
Come back later. Hey! It's Sophia! Look at her! The camera's working now.
Hi.
Say hi!
You can clap.
If you hold it on me so they can get me a little bit too.
He's like trying to stand up.
Turned out.
Take her. Did you see that? She says I'm mad about it.
Mad all day long.
I want that. Oh, who's that?
Oh, sorry.
All right. I'll put it out just a second.
I'll take it.
Hey.
Whoa, how
Oh, shit, she got
You want to come to me?
Eat your cracker?
Okay.
So no one knows.
Claps like this.
Yeah, she makes sounds, she said, too.
Yeah.
I washed your car.
You did?
No, I didn't. I didn't.
I've been watching over.
See? Told you.
Hi, V. Hi, V. Told her what? What?
She didn't tell me anything. She just wanted to see what you say.
You're on candy camera now. Camera adds 10 pounds. Don't worry, Mom.
Josh, I will kick your ass. And yes, she got that on tape.
That's a verbal threat.
That's right. Pursue it. Isn't that right?
Yeah.
You're gonna stay there with the tracker, huh? All right. Well,
Okay.
yeah.
Don't make him dizzy.
What?
Sorry, I have to go. I have some lettuce I got to put.
My family, man. Put this on the website. The whole universe is going to see this.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Oh, what the hell? Turn it off, turn it off, turn it off.
There's Josh.
Yeah, well,
There's Chelsea. There's Sophia. Okay, enough of that.